Hi guys, oh my god, I am so excited. I don't know if you guys are as excited as I am. I am very excited. Like, we are finally doing this, my first YouTube video. Okay guys, I don't want to waste your time. Let's just get right into it. I'm gonna do a brief intro and then I'm gonna tell you guys what this video is about. I'm just so happy. My first YouTube channel. Hey, first of all, hey, they don't know. First of all, introduction. I mean, wasting. First of all, introduction. My name is Halima Suleiman, aka Lim Lim, aka Hallyalicia, aka. That's all the AKAs, but you know, it's your girl. Anyways, my channel is just going, like my channel says, my channel is going to be about beauty, lifestyle and inspiration. But gonna be, you know, I'm just trying to help all the women all around the world feel and look beautiful. But you know what the good part is? We're going to be doing that on a budget. You know, we can't just be 2019 is about saving the coins. So what I'm going to be doing in my first video is I'm going to be sharing you guys how to do your nails in 5 minutes. Yes, so 5 minutes.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes.
You know when your friend just calls you and like, babes, you want to go to this party? And you're like, oh yeah, sure. You've got the outfit, you've got the shoes, you've got everything. But damn, your nails be looking like this. Oh, sorry about how my nails look, but is it the truth? Your nails be looking, and you don't want to go to a party or one bay. If you're Nigerian, you understand. You don't want to go to a one bay. You're not looking gang. You know, you have to look on point. Has to look nice, look sweet. So let's just get right into it. I am going to flip my camera and then show you guys. Okay, let's do this. So guys, with me here I have 4 different types of nails. Well, these nails are actually from Primark. If you're in Europe, Primark is like, you know, that very popular store, that go-to store for any girl. You know, it's just, they have lots of things and prices are actually reasonable. I like Primark. I love Primark. And if you're a Nigerian like me, you know that Primark is also known as Oluwaprimo Primark. Anyway, so I've got the red nails,
which is called Scarlet Gloss or something. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. I've got the pointed matte. Gosh, my right nails are so too bright. I've got that's the pointed matte in pure white, and I've got the pointed matte in nude, and I've got the French one.
So I don't even know. They have all the designs, to be honest, like different types of designs. And you can also get these nails. You could just type it. I'm sure they have like loads of stores that also stock them. But I prefer Primark's own because they have lots of designs. They have varieties. They even have the ones that've got stones on them. They've got the one with gel polish. Different types of nails. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to be using the red one. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. As you can see, they have extra ones as well. So this type of nails, you can even use it more than once. That's like the good part of it. I mean, I pay less and I can even use it more than once. I'm just gonna have everything. I'm gonna put everything down to see, and it comes with a glue. I don't know if I mentioned that it comes with a glue, so you don't have to worry. It comes with its own glue. Everything you need just in one pack. So I'm just going to open this glue. I will open our glue. So what you want to do is you want to match the size of the nail to your finger. For me, I always feel like they fit so perfectly, so I don't have to file them. As you can see, this one fits so perfectly, so I don't even think it needs any filing or anything like that. I'll just put a little bit of the glue on my fingertips. Just like that. Take the nail, put it down and press it. Look at that. That's it. It's as easy as that. I'm going to be doing one hand on camera and then I'll do the other hand off camera, and then we will come back and talk about the nails. See, I've got my nails done, both of them. That's it. It's as easy as that, and you just stick it on. And look at how much nails I have left. You know, look at this. This is enough for another full fix. You know, if I don't take this off, you know, carefully enough, and it snaps or it breaks or anything, I mean, I have enough for full fix. So today I can be wearing red nails, tomorrow go matte, next tomorrow go white, you know, just switch it up like that, and that is it. I'm just going to put some midi rings on now, and then I'll flip the camera and we'll have some few chats. Okay, we'll just chat about the nail. Be right back. I am back, guys, and I have my nails done. I put some midi ring on off the camera, so doesn't this just look beautiful? Imagine if you have a date, if you have a wedding, if you have somewhere to go to ASAP, just put on some Primark nails and you are good to go. That's it, at the comfort of your home, without, like, oh my god, beautiful, doesn't it? I mean, so for my fellow ladies, my fellow beautiful women that are in Europe, just go to Primark, go to the nail section. They have loads of them, different types. Just, you know, grab as many as you can. And then the good thing is that they don't stop the same style like over and over again. After a while, you know, they put new designs out, so don't worry, you would always find new things there, new designs every time you go in. That's just a good part about it. And for my fellow ladies and fellow women that, you know, are not in Europe and want to get these packed nails, I'm going to put up my handle up on the screen now and in the description box below, so you can just hit me up, let me know if you're interested, if you want to get them. I'm more than willing to help you. We can all just slay on a budget, you know. Let's look beautiful together. Let's feel and look beautiful together, my fellow ladies. Let us feel and look beautiful together. And sorry, I'm still feeling my makeup, and if you like my makeup, I did it myself, and I have a makeup page which I'm also going to put in the description box below. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button below, and you can put on your notification, you know, that small bell beside the subscribe button. Just put it on so you do not miss any video that I have up. I'm serious, this channel is gonna blow your mind because I'm gonna be sharing some major secrets with you, beauty secrets, life secrets, on how to look and feel beautiful on a budget. Anyway guys, that is all for today. Please, once again, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to put it up on the screen and in the description box below. I want to know you guys, I want to meet my subscribers, and please invite more people to join the family. Let's join the family, you know. Alright guys, it is bye till next time. See ya.